Hi, and welcome to Puzzle's Product Spotlight series, where we showcase how our AI-powered solutions tackle real contact center challenges. In today's video, we are exploring how Agent Copilot helps agent save valuable time on every call by surfacing the right answer exactly when the agent needs them. So let's talk about the challenge. Agents often need to find answers, and to do that, they search across multiple apps, and a typical search would return a list of links which agents can then sift through, all while trying to stay focused on the customer. With Agent Copilot, agents save minutes on every call, and that can add up to hundreds of hours saved across the whole contact center each month. Copilot doesn't just overwhelm agents with information, it's always available, offering clear and actionable support. Agents can get instant and accurate knowledge and real time guidance on demand when they need it. So let's see it in action. Hi, I see you're having trouble with a slow internet connection. How long has this been going on?
Hi. Yes, it's been slow for about 2 weeks now, and sometimes the box blinks red.
Got it. And have you tried restarting the router during this time?
No, I haven't done that just yet. How do I do this?
Well, of course, agents can answer many questions on their own, but when they need help or just want to double check, they can scroll down and type their question in Copilot. For example, what happens now is that Copilot searches the database that it has been connected to and returns a suggested reply based on that. The agent can now use that knowledge to respond and guide the customer to a resolution. They can ask as many questions as they need during the conversation, and Copilot will do the heavy lifting and find the best response. It doesn't throw a list of links at the agent, instead, it delivers the exact information they need, allowing them to stay focused on the customer. If you'd like to know more about Copilot and how it can be tailored to the context of your contact center, you are always welcome to reach out to us. Thank you.